Welcome to Brightside, where we explore the fascinating world of facts and discoveries. Today, we're going to take you on a journey into the most complex and mysterious organ in the human body, the brain. Yeah, you heard that right, not the heart, not the liver, the brain. It's more complex than a galaxy, more mysterious than a black hole. This 3-pound lump of matter is responsible for everything that makes you, you. So buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the mind-blowing world of neuroscience and explore 10 amazing facts about the human brain that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Let's get to it. Did you know that your brain is more powerful than any supercomputer? It's a fascinating fact that often goes unnoticed in our daily lives. That's right. The human brain is capable of processing vast amounts of information, making it more powerful than any supercomputer. Imagine the complexity and efficiency of this incredible organ. I mean, think about it. The fastest supercomputers in the world can perform trillions of calculations per second. These machines are marvels of modern engineering designed to tackle the most complex problems. They're used to simulate nuclear explosions, predict the weather, and even fold proteins. These tasks require immense computational power and precision. But your brain does all that and more in real time without breaking a sweat. It seamlessly integrates and processes information from various sources. Every second, your senses are bombarded with millions of bits of information. This includes everything you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Sights, sounds, smells, tastes, textures. Your brain handles all these inputs simultaneously, creating a coherent experience of the world around you. Your brain has to filter through all of that noise, identify what's important, and decide how to respond, all in a split second. This filtering process is crucial for survival and efficient functioning. And it's not just about processing power. Your brain is also incredibly adaptable. This adaptability is known as neuroplasticity. When you learn something new, your brain actually changes its physical structure to accommodate that information. New neural pathways are formed and existing ones are strengthened. It's like upgrading your computer's hardware every time you download a new app. This continuous adaptation allows you to learn and grow throughout your life. Think about that the next time you're struggling to remember where you put your keys. Even in moments of forgetfulness, your brain is working hard to retrieve information. Your brain might be misplacing things from time to time, but it's also capable of composing symphonies, writing poetry, and even contemplating the meaning of life. These creative and intellectual pursuits highlight the brain's extraordinary capabilities. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that your brain is pretty darn impressive. It's a powerhouse of potential, constantly working to make sense of the world and drive human progress. Whether you're solving complex problems, engaging in deep thought, or simply enjoying a beautiful piece of music, your brain is at the center of it all. It's the ultimate supercomputer, unparalleled in its versatility and efficiency. And let's not forget the brain's role in mindfulness and meditation. These practices can enhance brain function, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. The brain's ability to adapt and thrive in various states of consciousness is truly remarkable. Even when you're asleep, your brain is hard at work. It processes memories, consolidates learning, and even dreams. This continuous activity ensures that you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle a new day. Emotions, too, are a testament to the brain's power. The way you feel joy, sadness, love, and fear is all orchestrated by this incredible organ. It's a symphony of neural activity that shapes your experiences and interactions. Throughout your life, your brain evolves and adapts. From childhood to old age, it continues to learn, grow, and change. This lifelong journey of the brain is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. As we look to the future, the potential for brain-computer interfaces and AI integration opens up new possibilities. The synergy between human brains and technology could revolutionize how we live and interact with the world. So, the next time you marvel at a supercomputer, remember that the most powerful and sophisticated computer is right inside your head. Your brain is a wonder of nature, a true masterpiece of evolution. Cherish and nurture it, for it holds the key to your thoughts, dreams, and endless possibilities. The human brain is, without a doubt, more powerful than any supercomputer. Did you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Yes, that's right. The human brain, with all its complexity, is capable of producing electrical energy. This fascinating fact highlights just how powerful and intricate our brains truly are. Who knew that your brain was generating electricity? It's a marvel of nature that our brains, which are responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and actions, are also tiny powerhouses of electrical activity. It's true, and it's all thanks to the electrical activity in your brain cells. These cells, known as neurons, are constantly at work, sending and receiving electrical signals that allow us to function. It's true. Your brain is basically a walking, talking electrical generator. Every time you think, move, or feel, your brain is hard at work generating electrical impulses that make it all possible. All those thoughts, emotions, and actions are the result of tiny electrical impulses zipping around your brain at lightning speed. These impulses travel through a vast network of neurons, each one playing a crucial role in our daily lives. These impulses are generated by billions of specialized cells called neurons. Neurons are the building blocks of the brain, and they communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Neurons communicate with each other through tiny gaps called synapses. These synapses are like bridges that allow electrical signals to pass from one neuron to another. When a neuron fires, it sends an electrical signal across the synapse to another neuron, and so on, and so on. This process is incredibly fast and efficient, allowing our brains to process information in real time. This electrical activity is what allows your brain to process information, control your movements, and even form your thoughts and memories. It's a continuous dynamic process that happens every second of every day. It's like a complex circuit board with billions of connections firing in perfect synchronicity. Each connection is vital, and together they create the symphony of electrical activity that powers our brains. Scientists can actually measure this electrical activity using a technique called electroencephalography, or EEG. This non-invasive method allows researchers to study the brain's electrical patterns and gain insights into its functioning. An EEG records the electrical signals in your brain using electrodes placed on your scalp. These electrodes pick up the tiny electrical impulses and transmit them to a machine that records the data. It's like listening to your brain's symphony of electrical impulses. Each wave and spike on the EEG readout represents a different type of brain activity, providing a window into the workings of our minds. EEGs are used to diagnose a variety of brain disorders, such as epilepsy and sleep disorders. By analyzing the electrical patterns, doctors can identify abnormalities and develop treatment plans. They can also be used to study brain activity during different tasks, like reading, sleeping, or even meditating. This helps scientists understand how different activities affect brain function and can lead to new insights into mental health and cognitive processes. So the next time you turn on a light switch, remember that your brain is capable of generating its own electricity. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible capabilities of this amazing organ. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible capabilities of this amazing organ. The brain's ability to generate electricity is just one of the many wonders of this complex and fascinating organ. From controlling our movements to forming our thoughts and memories, the brain is truly a marvel of nature. So the next time you see a light bulb, think about the incredible power of your brain. It's not just a metaphor. Your brain really does generate electricity, and it's this electrical activity that makes everything we do possible. The brain's electrical activity is a testament to its complexity and efficiency. It's a reminder that even the most mundane tasks, like turning on a light switch, are made possible by the incredible power of our brains. So let's take a moment to appreciate the amazing organ that is our brain. It's a powerhouse of electrical activity, a complex network of neurons, and the control center for everything we do. Truly, our brains are one of the most remarkable creations of nature. And remember, every thought, every movement, every emotion is powered by the electrical impulses generated by your brain. It's a continuous, dynamic process that happens every second of every day, making life as we know it possible. So, the next time you marvel at a piece of technology or a complex machine, remember that the most sophisticated and powerful machine of all is right inside your head. The human brain, with its electrical activity, is truly a wonder of nature. Did you know that you can actually train your brain to be more creative? Yes, it's true. Just like you can train your body to be stronger or more flexible, you can also train your brain to think more creatively. This isn't just a theory, it's backed by science and countless real-world examples. It's easy to think of creativity as this magical, almost mystical quality that some people are born with and others aren't. But the truth is, creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And just like any muscle, you can train your brain to be more creative. How? Well, it's all about breaking out of your comfort zone and challenging your brain in new and unexpected ways. This means doing things that might feel uncomfortable or unfamiliar at first, but that's exactly the point. When you push your brain to adapt to new situations, it starts to form new neural connections, which in turn boosts your creative thinking. One way to do this is to simply expose yourself to new experiences. Travel to a new place, try a new food, learn a new language. The more diverse your experiences, the more connections your brain will make, and the more creative you'll become. Think about it, when you travel, you're not just seeing new sights. You're also encountering new cultures, new ways of thinking, and new challenges. All of these experiences force your brain to think in different ways, which can spark new ideas and insights. Even something as simple as taking a different route to work or trying a new hobby can have a big impact on your creativity. Another way to boost your creativity is to engage in activities that force you to think outside the box. Puzzles, riddles, brain teasers, even just daydreaming can help to stimulate your brain and encourage creative thinking. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures, they are opportunities to learn and grow. When you make a mistake, your brain has to figure out what went wrong and how to fix it, which can lead to new insights and ideas. So embrace your mistakes and see them as a valuable part of the creative process. Some of the greatest discoveries and inventions in history were the result of happy accidents. So embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and don't be afraid to experiment. Think about Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His willingness to experiment and learn from his mistakes led to the invention of the light bulb, one of the most important innovations in history. So don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. You never know what amazing ideas might come from a happy accident. Remember, creativity isn't about being the next Picasso or Mozart. It's about tapping into your own unique potential and expressing yourself in new and interesting ways. So go out there and create something amazing. Whether it's a piece of art, a new recipe, a solution to a problem at work, or even just a fun project at home, the act of creating can be incredibly fulfilling and rewarding. And the more you practice, the more your creativity will grow. So don't wait for inspiration to strike. Take action, try new things, and unlock your inner Einstein today. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these amazing facts about the human brain. The brain is truly one of the most fascinating and complex objects in the known universe. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how much we don't know. But that's what makes it so exciting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Keep those brains buzzing.